Today, we're diving into the world of wooden home decor, showcasing inspiring ideas that will help you create stunning pieces for your space. Whether you're looking to enhance your living room, bedroom, or even your outdoor area, we've got you covered. Section 1. Wooden decor. Wooden decor adds warmth and character to any room. It's versatile, eco-friendly, and brings a touch of nature indoors. Let's explore some creative ideas. Section 2. Unique wooden wall art. First up, we have unique wooden wall art. Try using reclaimed wood to create a stunning piece that tells a story. You can paint it, stain it, or even leave it natural for a rustic look. Consider geometric designs or nature-inspired shapes to add a modern twist. Section 3. Functional decor. Wooden shelves. Next, let's talk about functional decor. Wooden shelves are not only practical but can also be a focal point in your room. Use different wood finishes for a layered look, or incorporate brackets for an industrial vibe. Display your favorite books, plants, or decorative items. Section 4. Beautiful wooden centerpieces. Now, let's create beautiful wooden centerpieces. A simple wooden bowl can be transformed into a stunning display by filling it with seasonal fruits, flowers, or candles. Get creative with your arrangements to match your home's aesthetic. Section 5. DIY wooden accents. Feeling crafty? Let's explore some DIY wooden accents. From coasters to picture frames, there are endless possibilities. Gather some scrap wood, tools, and your imagination, and let's make something special together. Section 6. Final touches and inspiration. Remember, the key to stunning wooden decor is to let your personality shine through. Mix and match styles, experiment with colors, and don't be afraid to get creative. Look for inspiration in nature and your everyday surroundings. for joining us today. We hope these inspiring ideas motivate you to start your own wooden home decor projects. Share your creations in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more creative content. Until next time, happy crafting!